From time to time, I'm trying to find cool and interesting multimeters on Aliexpress, just like this one, and I must admit that I love multimeters. All sizes, rechargeable, not rechargeable, small, portable, big ones. I love multimeters, and this model that you are seeing is made by ANENG, and you know that ANENG is one of the most popular brand for multimeters from Aliexpress, and this one comes in red, it comes also in black color, and it's around $5 US, but also you can select this package that comes together with enclosure for keeping the multimeter, some alligator clips, extra probes, and what it says, it's a multifunctional multimeter ANENG M128, the model is, for measuring AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitor, non-contact voltage, induction, 6000 count Microscope tester. What does it mean, this Microscope? And this package with all stuff cost around $14 US, but the primary or the simple one is $5 US. The link will be in description below, so you can check it. And of course I ordered it and I got it. And yeah, bubbles! Ooh. Can you hear it? Oh, satisfying. Okay. Undamaged box. Pretty awesome. ANENG multimeter M128. And what does it come in the box? Of course, the instruction manual. Nope, I need to read it because this is new device for me. Oh, cheap probes, very cheap. Never mind, I have better ones. Nothing else in the box. And take a look how small it is. And I forgot to tell you, I ordered a black one. Almost all my multimeters are red, but this one is black. Take a look how small it is. Okay. And of course 360. And let's see what it says in description. Large capacitance range of 60 microfarads, it says. Flashlight lighting at the front of the multimeter. Battery testing. Non-contact voltage probing. Alright. 15 minutes shutdown. Where the specific? Oh, here they are. Parameters. So you can stop the video and read all the parameters, but I'm gonna mention just the main. AC-DC voltage measurement 600 volts maximum, AC-DC current 10 amperes maximum, resistance 60 mega ohms, capacitance 60 microfarads, non-contact voltage, live zero fire line recognition. What? Oh. Diode, on-off beep, back support frame, flashlight lighting, and backlight bright screen. Alright, automatic power off in 15 minutes. Maximum count 6000 counts. Material ABS, weight 79 grams. And it's long 11.5 centimeters by 6 centimeters, and the thickness is 2.9 centimeters. This one is one of my smallest multimeters that I have. The plastic is fine, it's smooth, it's not rough. Okay, let me explain. We have one button for the flashlight, hold and backlight of the screen, non-contact voltage, live, and power button. Also we have a connector for 10 amperes, ground, and this is the main VCC for measuring the voltage resistant diodes or continuity test. And also this model have a holder, which is pretty cool. Take a look. Nice. And it doesn't go further. Okay. It works with two what is this? AAA batteries. And yes, I have my rechargeable 1.5 volt lithium batteries. They are rechargeable. Also, I will put a link in the description below so you can check, and you can charge them, all 4 of them, in the same time using this crazy Type-C cable with 4 Type-C connectors, so you can charge them all at once. And there it is, the Type-C connector for charging. They are around 500 milliamperes. On the battery says 1100 milliwatt hours, but that is around 500-600 milliamperes. I'm gonna place them now. 1, 2. Okay. Nice. And before I show you how it works, this multimeter, let me share my coffee page where you can support my channel and support my work with a coffee, of course. And my latest supporters are JJG, which is a monthly supporter. Thank you, sir, for that. Dave Evans, who are... What was that? Never mind. Dave Evans, who support me for a long time, every month. Thank you, Dave. And this one is PF, who sent me a coffee, and he wrote, "Thanks for your educational and great content. Thank you, sir, for supporting me with a coffee, and thank you to all of you who already sent me a coffee." Supporting meaning sharing love. Thank you. As you can see, there is a screen protector. I don't know, should I pull it, but what the heck. I'm gonna take it off. Wow, much beautiful. Alright, let's power on in 3, 2, 1. What? Auto! Okay, first I will try the flashlight. And yes, it's a small flat LED flashlight, so you can see in darkness. Power off. This button is hold, and when you press it, oh, I like it. It's nice. Okay, and beside that, its power button is for turning on and off. You can scroll manually through the functions. This is auto DC voltage, true RMS, the resistance, continuity, diode test, and back to, no, this is capacitance on auto, and back to auto. Also we have a electromagnetic field or non-contact voltage and live. Alright, but where it is the current meter? Maybe when I put the probe, auto DC, resistance, where is it? Weird. We're gonna test it. First I'm gonna try the continuity test, how fast it is. And let's go to continuity, this one. Take a look. It's fast. What it says? 0.2. Nice. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Please tell me in the comment, is it that fast or what? Okay, now I'm gonna compare it to one of my best multimeters, which is 3-in-1 multimeter, called it Zoe ZT703S with oscilloscope and signal generator. And from my power supply I'm sending exactly 5 volts, Zoe 5.012, and this one is 5.084. It's pretty close. I'm gonna increase the voltage. Let's say to how much? I'm gonna go to 12. Zoe 12 volts, ANENG M128 12.19. Okay, let's go to 18 volts, 18.00, 18.28. It's close and I love it. First I'm gonna try the resistors. First I'm gonna measure these 200 kilo ohms. Yes, 201. Let's put the backlight on. And the other one is 10 kilo ohms. 10.3. Beautiful. Now it's set on diode test, and let's measure this Schottky diode. Alright. On the other side. Yes. Beautiful. Working fine. And let's go to capacitance. Here I have a 100 nanofarads capacitor. 109 farads. Okay. This one is 47 microfarads capacitor. Let's measure it. Waiting to be charged. And what it says? 46. Oh, like it. Come on, take a look how small it is. You can hold it in your hand. And it's beautiful for second multimeter, maybe for keeping in your car, or I don't know. It's nice. And now I'm gonna try it. The non-contact voltage electromagnetic field. And this is the power cable. Yes. It's detecting, which is great. I have chosen live contact. Let's try it. Yes. Working. Back to auto, and let's see, will it measure 220 volts AC voltage? 238 volts, little bit more. Now I'm gonna try it, the current function, but as I said, there is no button for that. Maybe when I replace the probe, nothing happens. Let's try it. Using my testing light bulb, we're gonna find out does it work or not. It's working, it shows the amperes, but my power supply have a current limit. Let's adjust that. Sorry. Yes, I have set on 2 amperes now. And let's try again. Yes, it's auto. Take a look. 1.8 amperes. It's auto DC. Okay. Beautiful. But my power supply says 1.8 amperes. Also here 1.8 amperes. Nice. And I must say, for the money, this multimeter is awesome. Everything is working like it's described in the description or the manual. It's pretty small. It's not rechargeable. Use only 2 AAA 1.5 volt batteries. And I love it. All you need is this one. For $5. Come on. Okay. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! And it have a holder also. What do you want more?